weeks without alcohol ain't hard if it weren't for these goddamn scars and memories, and hell, it helps me sleep. Oh, I cannot focus if I don't rest, and if I ain't doing nothing, Lord, I get depressed. So here's to raising hell and living cheap. Oh hell, life ain't all it's supposed to be. Walking floors and worrying behind locked doors, avoiding friends you hardly see. Well, I've lived and learned, and Lord, I made it back. I fought 3 at once and they whooped my ass. But living's better with taking chances constantly. I like to get high as a mountain when I'm crumbling to my knees. And all that shit they talk, it don't mean a thing to me. We are all mixed up in this landscape, huddled in the shade, searching chain to store shells for identity. Well, these wrinkles, they are proof of age, and read them all as single days of learning who is who and what is what. See, man, some may show a mask or two, but base their lives and having more than you. Man, that life must be lonely as fuck. You see, that's not how it's supposed to be. Lapping up commodities with money that you don't have or even see. Well, I've lived and learned, and Lord, I made it back. I want nothing, that's still all I have. It's not what you make or do, it's how you're living. I like to get high as a mountain when I'm crumbling to my knees. And all that shit they talk, it don't mean a thing to me. We are all mixed up in this landscape, huddled in the shade, searching chain store shelves for identity. Small talk that shit. Well, I'm going gray and I'm getting old, but that don't mean I do what I'm told. In fact, I've opted out, I've given up. See, man, money is a thing of the past. You spend it once and it don't come back. So says Reverend Bobby Joe Small, so that's what's up. This is not what it's supposed to be. Walking floors and worrying. It's about life and love and family and thinking free. I've been lit up before and I've bounced right back. Made mistakes and I learned to laugh. Tonight I'm getting drunk and simply living. I like to get high as a mountain when I'm crumbling to my knees. And all that shit they talk, it don't mean a thing to me. We are all mixed up in this landscape, huddled in the shade, searching chain store shelves for identity, pacing chain store floors for identity. Gonna build me a shack, Lord, by the railroad yard. Gonna build me a shack, Lord, by the old railroad yard. Don't come looking for me unless you plan on meeting God. I know a place, boy, by the railroad track. Yeah, I know a place, Lord, by the old railroad track, where the trains come to a crawl, highball and never do come back. That's right. That sand beneath my shoes. Oh, I cannot wait to get that sand beneath my shoes, where the drinks come easy, trouble don't never send you off with cigarettes.